Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexclips.com. I am here with the Forex signals analysis for 2nd of April 2020. Okay guys, before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the Forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, finally we have seen some volatility in the market and it was quite excellent to trade today, and I am going to start today's discussion right from EURUSD signal. So guys, I have provided the bearish signal on EURUSD from 109,228 and 108,479 was the target price, and guys you can see a big drop on EURUSD and the market just hit the target price with no problem. So overall I congratulate all my traders who are subscribed to my signal service. They must have caught a very good profit by trading EURUSD. At next, I am going to talk about the USDCHF. Let me take you towards the signals report. So USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 096793 and 097497 is the target price. And guys, now look at the USDCHF. It has completely went up right above the entry. This candle was closed. It was the perfect time to enter into the trade, and you look how swiftly the market has went up. So if you have traded USDCHF in a bullish manner, then you must be in very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about AUDUSD. Okay guys, I have supplied the bearish signal on AUDUSD from 060901 and 059523 is the target price. However, the target price is not met, but if you look at here, we have seen a 3 hours big drop on AUDUSD. So if you have traded this drop, then you must have caught a massive profit on AUDUSD as well. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Okay guys, very simple signal from my side. This is the second signal as per my signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal on New Zealand USD from 059452 and 058907 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on New Zealand USD as well, and that hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all my traders who are subscribed to my signal service. They also have ended their day with a good profit on New Zealand USD. At next, let's talk about the third pair of my signals report, which is Great Britain Pound USD. I have supplied the bearish signal from 132882 and 132054 was the target price. However, the targeted price is not met till now, but overall you can see we have seen some scalping chance on Great Britain Pound USD. The market went down from our entry and we have just scalped the market because overall the momentum went slow after that. So if you have traded this one in the manner of scalping, then you must have caught the profit. At next, let's talk about the AUDJPY. So this is basically the last signal of my signals report. So AUDJPY with a bearish expectation from 065399 and 63887 is the target price. However, you can see AUDUSD has received a drop up to, let me put the line here so that you can see 64389. So 3 hours were very good to take the profit on AUDJPY. So guys, if you have taken a sell position on this pair, then your end result should be a profit with no problem. Okay, at next we are going to talk about the EURJPY. Okay guys, I am going to take you towards the EURJPY signal. Look, I have supplied the clear bearish trend on EURJPY from 117191 and 116484 was the target price. And guys, you can see that from the entry, the market hit the target price in 3 hours, and after that it has turned up, but we have nothing to do with this, the upward momentum, because we have already hit the target price, and I have set the target price low today on EURJPY. At next, I am going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, I am going to take you towards the signals of USD Canadian dollar. You can see I have given the bullish signal on USD Canadian dollar from 141402 and 142483 was the target price. So guys, you can see a very good boost on USD Canadian dollar, and it hit the target price within the 3 hours. You can see, so mostly signals hit within the 3 hours. You can see the market hit the target price. Our signal got expired. Later on the market has received a drop, but we have nothing to do it. So only losing trade for the day was Great Britain Pound JPY. That does not went to in our way, but the rest of the trades have finally went into our way, and we have done a very good job by trading the USD of the all pairs almost. Okay guys, Moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. You can see the trading system is attached on the chart. These are the manual trading indicators. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower top red boundary and if it's getting the rejection, for example, look at here, after this bullish candle, the market was rejecting from the top red boundary. You can take the sell position, and I have also advised these things in my scalping videos as well. So you can watch my scalping videos. So you can take your sell positions. Look, the market came down, and whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And moreover, the price action monitor is there to help you as well. When it turns green, it means the time to buy. When it turns red, it means that it's a time to sell. But overall, it's more useful for the higher time frames, this indicator. But this indicator, you can scalp the market as well as you can also take long trades like we are doing it here. So guys, this is how you need to use the trading system. Okay guys, so if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, like how I come to know in the morning that EURUSD is going to be bearish today, and New Zealand USD is going to be bearish today. So it's based on a technique, and if you want to learn that technique, I teach this technique for 3 days on Skype, and after 3 days you will be able to generate your own signals, and there will be no need to subscribe to any signal provider. After that, you can simply prepare your own signals, and even you can start your own signal service. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.